According to verifiable oral documented historical accounts, which are also backed up with evidences from judicial records handed down by ancestors of the Awori. The Awori people are descendants of Olofin Ogunfunminire, who sojourned from Ile-Ife with his brothers and families sometimes around the 14th century. Olofin Ogunfunminire sojourned with his brothers Adeyombo, Ifadunlaye, also known as Fadu Aru, who later founded Abule Aru in the present-day Abeokuta, as well as Akinbaye, the founder of Isolo, known today as Isolo, and so on and so forth. It was gathered that in the 14th century, when there was the need for the expansion of the progenitors of Oduduwa, Ifa Oreku was consulted for guidance. Some Oduduwa's progenitors were instructed to move to far places to meet with their destined prosperities. They were asked to offer sacrifices to the gods. Prince Adeyombo, Aru, Fadu, Olofin, and Akinbaye were given these sacrificial clay pots. After offering prayers and supplications at the Ogun shrine, and were later told to move, it was revealed that Iberi Okun, seashore, or riverbank was supposed to be where these people's prosperity lies, and were further instructed that during their journey they should place the sacrificial clay pot on the river while they sailed towards where the clay pot moved. They moved with their royal paraphernalia, and at every point where the pot sinks, that place was supposed to be their destined founding abode. However, when the pot resurfaces again, some of them should continue their journey until when the pot gets to a point where it finally sinks, which symbolizes the end of their journey and the founding of their place of prosperous abode. At every point where the pot sank, the sojourners exclaimed, Awori, Awotirio. So it is in the event of these concurrent words and exclamations whenever the plate sank during their journey that this set of Yoruba race divinely came about their unique name, the Aworis. Wherever the plate sank, people stopped, created their homes, kingdoms, and started living there according to Ifa's instruction, until the plate finally sank at Ido, present-day Lagos Island. This was where she was born. This was the ancestral home of my sister, an illustrious Nigerian in diaspora, Her Eminence Sherifat Amope. She grew up at Lagos Island and has become an island of grace, prosperity, fame, affluence, integrity, beauty, humanitarian traits, role models, and admirable compassion. Ladies and gentlemen, join me to celebrate this iconic Nigerian. Join me to celebrate the anniversary of birth of Auntie Sherry, Her Eminence Sherifat Amope, proud mother of Abisola Salamat, proud mother of Basi, proud mother of Alimani, proud mother of Arike. Auntie Sherry has increased in age. May God Almighty continue to bless you with long life, healthy life, and prosperous life. You are a shining star, a golden daughter. May God continue to grant you long life, healthy life, and prosperous life. I pray that God Almighty continues to grant you all the lofty desires of your heart. May all your lofty dreams be accomplished. Happy birthday, Auntie Sherifat Amope. On behalf of your family, friends, and well-wishers, I congratulate you on this auspicious occasion of your birthday. Sherifat Amope, ẹ ó dàgbà, ẹ ó dògbó, ẹ ó fọwọ́ pawú, ẹ ó fèrègì jòbì, ṣe bẹ́yìn lọ́mọ Àwórì. Ẹ̀yin l'Àwórì Akẹ̀sán, ọmọ ọlọ́kọ̀ nílùú Ìṣẹ́rí. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ iwájú ọlọ́kọ̀ tí ṣòwò, ẹ̀yìnkùlé ọlọ́kọ̀ tí ṣèjìgbara lẹ́kẹ́. Ẹ̀yin lọ́mọ ògèdègèdè ọlọ́kọ̀ tí ń tọ̀ yẹbẹyẹbẹ lójú omi. Ẹ̀yin ló Ṣàkẹ̀sán ọmọ agbẹ̀bí òmùwẹ̀. Ṣé bẹ́yìn lọ́mọ Àwórì arógun mátìdí, ọmọ aládé jíwìn ní jíwìn ìlẹ̀kẹ̀. Ṣé bẹ́yìn lọ́mọ egúngún lé tí fi wájú gbọ́ta tí fi wakọ̀ délé Ìṣẹ́rí. Ẹ̀yin lọ́mọ Àkókó tó gbalé tó gboko tó gbajù yàgbóyè ájù ọdẹ apẹ̀rin ọ̀gangangan gìrì oògùn. Ẹ̀yin lọ́mọ Òrùlé yàgbó ó gbé orí àjà yájù ọmọ Àwórì ó fi gbó ṣe lé ó fọ̀dà ṣọ̀nà. Ṣé bẹ́yìn l'Àwórì Ọ̀tàmórógbó alùmọ̀yé gèlè alálẹ̀ ilẹ̀ awẹ́rẹ́ gèlè ẹyẹ ayé ojú dínà ibi ọ̀padà ọ̀mì nípa ẹ̀sìn ní ọmọ Àwórì. Tani ṣékélé ń fojú di ìtì ọ̀gán ọmọdé àfẹlẹ̀jà. Ẹ̀yin ló fi kótì yọjú ọ̀tá tẹ́ fi pọnpọndán yọjú àwọn ẹni ibi. Ẹ̀yin l'Àkẹ̀sán ọmọ agbẹ̀bí òmùwẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin l'Agbẹ̀bí ilé agbẹ̀bí òde agbẹ̀bí ayé. Ṣé bẹ́yìn lọ́mọ agbẹ̀bí ọ̀run. Ẹ̀yin Àwórì ọmọ èṣù léwé èṣù pàtẹ ọjà ó kú bá bẹ́ẹ̀ni tí ó bá ná. Ẹ̀yin l'Àkẹ̀sán ọmọ agbẹ̀bí òmùwẹ̀. Wọn kì í gbowó ọkọ̀ lọ́wọ́ Òṣù, wọn kì í gbowó ọkọ̀ lọ́wọ́ Akẹ̀sán. Ẹni bá gbowó ọkọ̀ lọ́wọ́ Òṣù, ẹni bá gbowó ọkọ̀ lọ́wọ́ Akẹ̀sán, ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò di gbẹ́dàgbọ̀n yóò gbọ̀run alákejì lọ ní. Sherifat àmọ̀ pé ọdọọdún làárọ̀ rógbó, ọdọọdún làárọ̀ Àwùsá, ṣe bọ́dọọdún làárọ̀ mọ́fì lórí àtẹ. Ẹ ó máa fọdún yín dún ní. Her Eminence Sherifat àmọ̀ pé congratulations on your birthday. I wish you long life and prosperity. Ìgbà ọdún ọdún kan ṣoṣo ni o.
I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for.
Them say I'm living in a rush because I'm moving fast. Them say my matter don't cast, but me I no reply. Why them asking me why? Violence getting high. Mommy I never reply, cause I wait, that's my way. Jesus Christ, she on my body divine. Why are you feeling down? Life shots for ginger or some time, chance, 50-50, life in a dice. Rich, poor, last everybody go fine. What's